Hello world. I am No One, an indie game dev who is currently making a Rouge Light. And today I will show you how to rotate the enemy character inside a top-down 2D game. From the previous devlog I want to make a small correction. You want to put the shooting function inside the function that moves the enemy character away from the player so that the enemy will only attack when the player is close to it. Then you want to make a rotation function inside the movement function so that the enemy will only rotate when you are close enough. Inside the rotation function, copy and paste the code from the player rotation. The code works by first calculating the distance between the player character and the enemy, and then based on the Pythagorean theorem it calculates the angle between the enemy and player using the unity grid system as a basis. Then it uses the quaternion function to rotate the body of the enemy towards the player. In the player rotation code you have to change these three things. In the end the code should look like this, where the target.transform is the player position, the enemy.position is the position of the enemy, and enemy.rotation is the rotation of the enemy. I will now tell you what I did wrong when I was making the code. The absolute first thing I needed to do was delete camera.main.screen to world point and replace it with target.position, then change the target.rotation in the last line to enemy.rotation. In the end it should look like this. As you can see, the enemy rotates toward the player when the player nears it. Anyways, I hope that this video has been informative and that it will help explain some things. Have fun coding.